You know, each of these sons of ours come from different places. Their walks and their stories, they're quite extreme.
When I was 6, parents left me in the house alone. We boys don't eat, so you have food today, tomorrow don't have.
Being there on the street, no clothes, no food. But that's not the most point. The most point was like no hope at all. Like you survive for today, but you don't know if tomorrow will come for you.
They lost their entire childhood. They never got to be a child. Surviving on their own, I can't fathom that.
And then I'm like, I'm not gonna stay here in this chaos and fights and stuff and run away.
So there was a lot that they lost, but it's really cool because a lot has been restored too.
Money, I can give you money, I can give you food, but it's for a short time. But if I give you the best thing like God, the gospel, it can do more than what you think on your life and your eternal life.
We're doing this video to share with people, to let them know, thank you so much. You too can do something, and go do it. We don't want you to waste your life.
You can't live for the whole world. You can't live for the whole of Rwanda. You can't live for the whole of community. But at least you can change, you can impact the life of one.
All I can say is that our God is bigger than any story, any pain. He can heal and He can restore.
Regardless of what you go through, if you just look at it, like look at your story in an optimistic way, I think you can make of it something. You can make something of it, and in the end, I think it's who is your life going to maybe help inspire or build up when they fall down.